If you can please find your way to your seats, we'll get started in about 5 minutes. Good evening. Please remember to silence your cell phones. Good evening. We'll begin the ceremony with an invocation given by Senior Mechanical Engineer Michael Perez. Please stand.
As we gather on this special day, we do so mindful of the abundant blessings you have given us. We give you thanks for the opportunity to explore new ideas, to make new friends, and to grow as human beings. We thank you for the faculty, students, and staff members who have worked tirelessly to make this a reality. As we gather to mark the end of this chapter of life, we recognize your grace in helping us use the lessons we have learned here for the good of all. May all that we have learned and experienced here guide and support our future endeavors. We ask this through Christ our Lord. Amen.
Thank you, Michael. Good evening and welcome again. My name is Victoria Goodrich, and I am an associate teaching professor in the Chemical and Biomolecular Engineering Department. It's my honor to serve as your host for today's diploma ceremony as we celebrate our newest graduates. Joining me on the platform are members of the Dean's Office, as well as the chairs of all 5 engineering departments, and the professors who will be reading the graduates' names. I'll introduce each of them throughout the ceremony as they take part in honoring our newest graduates. Please be seated. As we start the ceremony, I'd like to begin by welcoming the members of the faculty of the College of Engineering who've spent the last 4 years teaching, mentoring, and guiding these graduates. I ask the faculty who are here to please stand and be recognized. At Notre Dame, we're really fortunate to have excellent faculty. They're productive scholars who provide extensive amount of service to our college, the university, and their field of study. And of course, they provide outstanding leadership and teaching in the classroom. Today, we have the distinct honor to recognize a few of our faculty members with special awards for their excellence, specifically in undergraduate teaching. So as I introduce the names of the awardees, I ask them again to rise. The College of Engineering Outstanding Teacher of the Year is awarded each spring to one faculty member based on engineering student nominations and votes. This year's awardee is Professor David Richter from the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering and Earth Science. We know where the C's students are now. Next, the Kathy F. Piernick Women in Engineering Impact Award is awarded to a faculty or staff member who's made a dramatic positive impact on women's engineering experience through their service to the university. This year's recipient is Dr. Jennifer Schaefer from the Department of Chemical and Biomolecular Engineering. She's unable to be with us tonight. And the Reverend Edmund P. Joyce, CSC, Excellence in Undergraduate Teaching Award recognizes faculty members who've had a profound influence on undergraduate students' learning experiences and elevated students' intellectual engagement. Faculty committees of all 5 colleges review peer and student nominations and select up to 20 awardees across the entire university. This year's recipients from the College of Engineering are Professor Peter Bowie from Computer Science and Engineering, Professor Patrick Fay from Electrical Engineering, and Professor Michael Kitts, College of Engineering. Thank you. Of course, our faculty are primarily here to serve our amazing undergraduate students. Next, we'd like to recognize a number of our highest academic achieving students in the college. Every year, the college selects one student in each degree program to receive the Reverend Thomas A. Steiner CSC Award. This award recognizes the highest level of academic excellence, as well as dedication to engineering and an unswerving commitment to the common good. As I introduce this year's awardees, I ask them to stand and be recognized. Please hold your applause till I get through all 8 names here. First, we have Andrew Chen, Aerospace Engineering. Mark Legendre, Chemical and Biomolecular Engineering. Lily Ann Polster, Civil Engineering. Emery Smith, Computer Engineering. Daniel Ream, Computer Science. Abigail Martin, Environmental Engineering, Michael Perez, Mechanical Engineering, and Jake Laporte, Electrical Engineering. Congratulations, you can be seated. In addition, you're going to hear there are a number of awards presented by each department. All of those student award recipients are listed in the university commencement booklet, and these students will also be recognized as they cross the stage to receive their diplomas. I'll also note we only get to recognize a small number of our undergraduate students with these awards, but I'd recognize that all of you have done an amazing job in these 4 years, and you've received a degree that shows you completed a demanding and sometimes grueling engineering curriculum. So congratulations to all our graduates. It is now my pleasure to introduce today's ceremony speaker. Patricia Culligan is the Matthew H. McCloskey Dean of the College of Engineering of the University of Notre Dame. Her research and teaching areas of expertise are in water resource and environmental engineering. She focuses on sustainable infrastructure, social networks, and the application of advanced measurements and sensing technologies to improve all aspects of environmental management. Dean Culligan's work transcends a variety of other research fields, including urban design, policy, microbiology, ecology, and geochemistry. She has served on the National Academy's Nuclear and Radiation Studies Board, as well as on the Board of Governors of the ASCE Geo Institute. She's also chaired the National Academy's Standing Committee on Geological and Geotechnical Engineering. Dean Culligan earned her undergraduate degree in civil engineering from the University of Leeds and her doctorate in engineering from the University of Cambridge. Ladies and gentlemen, Dean Culligan.
Thank you, Professor Goodrich. And my own congratulations to the class of 2021. As the 18th Dean of the College of Engineering at Notre Dame and the 4th Dean to hold the title of the Matthew H. McCloskey Dean, it is my pleasure to address you at this College of Engineering diploma ceremony. The first event of its kind in the known history of our college. Among many of the first of its kind experiences we have all witnessed during these past 18 months. I'm going to start my address off with a quote by Lawrence Edward Page, computer scientist and engineer. It is often easy to make progress on mega ambitious dreams. Since no one else is crazy enough to do it, you have little competition. Class of 2021, I hope you all have mega ambitious dreams, because if there ever was a class that has proven itself capable of the resilience and fortitude needed to succeed under the most extraordinary of circumstances, it is you. You came back to campus in August to find that being here often meant not being together in your final senior year at Notre Dame. You got used to talking through masks, sitting 6 feet apart in classrooms, and constantly being told, you are on mute, as you tried to make an important point, or even any point at all on Zoom. You sometimes found yourself isolated from your families and support systems when you were in need of them or they were in need of you. And many of you had to make decisions about your future on the basis of virtual meetings and a handshake. Yet you succeeded. 443 of you have earned a Notre Dame engineering degree. And let's all admit, that is an impressive achievement under normal circumstances. Under these current circumstances, it truly is remarkable. Be proud of yourself, because we are very proud of you. 80% of you are putting your unique talents to use in industry and consulting, some of you in traditional engineering industries, others in financial services, consumer-facing product management, or government and public policy. Some of you are also supporting the Alliance for Catholic Education as teaching fellows. 10% of you are going on to graduate school in engineering, or in law, medicine, business, science, or education. And 10% of you are joining the military, or public service, or a non-government organization. As a class, you are pursuing opportunities across the country, from East Coast DC to West Coast California, from northern Minnesota to southern Texas, to a myriad of destinations outside of the US. The Notre Dame engineering class of 2021 is poised to make an impact across sectors, across the US, and across the globe. And now is a time more than ever that we need Notre Dame engineers to make an impact. We need engineers committed to putting their skills and knowledge to use for the good of everyone and not just for the good of a few. We need engineers who are not only willing to admit to inequities in our society, but are also willing to actively work to dismantle them. We need engineers who are committed to caring for our common home, the one planet Earth that we all share and where we all live. And we need engineers who are dedicated to the service of those who are currently underserved. We also need engineers who inspire by example, who have the courage to say that is wrong when everyone else is sitting silent, and who also understand why the joy of living is a cross-cutting theme in the National Academy of Engineers' 21st Century Goals for improving life on our planet. You are all leaving our campus and our college with the problem-solving and technical skills you need to succeed in your career. But you are also leaving with a Notre Dame education, and that gives you a unique ability to be a force for good in our world. And that is why I know you will make an impact, creating a better future for all. So I'm going to return to Larry Page's quote, and I'm going to make a friendly amendment. Class of 2021, make progress on your mega ambitious dreams. Since you are Notre Dame engineered to do it, you have little competition. Whether your mega ambitious dreams center around new technology breakthroughs or creating equitable technology access, whether they center around propelling clean energy solutions or cleaning up our oceans, whether they center around new modes for global communications or meeting the promise of global healthcare, or whether they center around something else which might be very personal to you, know that whenever you achieve these dreams, the staff and the faculty of the College of Engineering will be here to celebrate with you. The familiar and ubiquitous green floor dots and wall notices will likely be gone, but we will always be here for you. Others who have always been here for you are your family, friends, and loved ones. In fact, you probably would not be here if it were not for them. We are very grateful that they entrusted you to us for your engineering education and so much more. We are grateful, too, that they also supported you through this journey. They were our unparalleled partners in creating an engineering class with little competition. So my personal thank you to all of you families, friends, and loved ones who have championed you and who have cared for you throughout these years. I would like to close by saying that these fellow engineers sitting all around you are sure to be some of the closest and most influential people in your life. I know this through my own experiences and my own life journey. So as you leave here, remember to be there for each other, wherever there is for each and every one of you. God bless you, class of 2021.
Thank you, Dean Culligan. Next, we're going to admit all of our engineering graduates into the Order of the Engineer. For those of you, graduates or families who are unaware of this practice, it's similar to the Hippocratic Oath in medicine and reminds us of our responsibilities of our profession. The Order of the Engineer originated in Canada after a bridge collapse in Quebec due to some faulty engineering calculations resulted in the death of 75 people. After that incident, a board of engineers developed this obligation to emphasize the ethical and moral standards for engineers and to support and welcome new engineers into the profession. By accepting this obligation today, our graduates pledge to uphold the standard and dignity of the engineering profession and to serve humanity by making the best use of Earth's precious wealth. In addition to the obligation, the engineer's ring, a stainless steel ring, is worn on the pinky finger of your working hand to serve as a constant reminder of the obligation that you'll recite today. If you've not already done so, graduates, please put that ring on now. I'd like to invite our Senior Associate Dean for Education and Undergraduate Programs, Yifang Wang, to lead the class of 2021 in taking the obligation of the Order of the Engineer.
Hello, class of 2021. It's my honor to lead you in taking the oath and join the proud cadre of fellow working engineers. Graduates, please stand and raise your right hand and repeat after me. I am an engineer. In my profession, I take deep pride. To it, I owe solemn obligations. As an engineer, I pledge to practice integrity and fair dealing, tolerance and respect, and to uphold devotion to the standards of dignity of my profession. I will always be conscious that my skill carries with it the obligation to serve humanity by making the best of the Earth's precious wealth. I'm proud of you. You've completed that long sentence. As an engineer, I shall participate in none but honest enterprises. When needed, my skill and knowledge shall be given. Without reservation. For the public good. In the performance of duty and in fidelity to my profession, I shall give my best and utmost. Congratulations on joining the order, and please be seated. And if you have not put on your ring, please do it now.
I think I would have messed up part of that. Good job. All right, it's now time to recognize the 2021 graduates of the College of Engineering. Graduates, at the appropriate time, your department chair will invite you to proceed to the stage and receive your diploma. At this time, I'll start by inviting Dr. David Goh, the Rooney Family Collegiate Professor and Aerospace and Mechanical Engineering Department Chair, to come to the podium to recognize the Aerospace and Mechanical Engineering graduates.
Good evening, and congratulations to all our graduates in the Department of Aerospace and Mechanical Engineering. As the largest department in the College of Engineering, we have 116 mechanical engineering and 25 aerospace engineering students graduating this year. Our students have excelled inside the classroom and out, with many leading our engineering clubs, such as the ND Rocketry Team and Enable ND, many doing cutting-edge research with our outstanding faculty, and many more doing the wide number of extracurricular activities at Notre Dame that contribute to their education as a whole person. Our graduating class is exceptional, And despite numerous challenges, we'll be moving on to companies ranging from SpaceX and Ford to Procter & Gamble, to graduate schools as far away as Washington and Ireland, and entrepreneurial activities such as Venture for America. We are excited to send our graduates out into the world where they will make and move our future and truly be a force for good. Will the 2021 Aerospace Engineering graduates please come forward as Professor Jing Wang reads your name, followed by the Mechanical Engineering graduates, whose names will be read by Professor Bill Goodwin.
Vincent John Burke, Vincent P. Goddard Design Award in Aerospace Engineering. Estefania Castillo Villarreal. Yi Zhong Chen, summa cum laude, Sigma Gamma Tau Honor Award, ZAM Prize for Aeronautical Engineering, Reverend Thomas A. Steiner Award. Everett Lee Eby. Nicholas Joseph Ginotti. Peter Thomas Good. Michael Mitchell Rochelle Gray. Nicholas Daniel Haymond. Emma Rosemary Rock. Jack Logan Johnson, cum laude. Martha Elizabeth Kernan. James David Mahoney. Julius Ari Pericles Monchu. Neil Tristan Naira. Kevin James O'Shea, cum laude. Ron James Quinto, cum laude. Zachary John Schoon. Joseph Russell Sutton, cum laude, Aero Propulsion Award recipient. Benjamin Gordon Tampolis, cum laude. Adam Raymond Weaver. Eric Charles Winegar.
Lydia Abreja. Joanam Pedro Carvalhas Andrade. Brendan James Ukone Armstead. Sophia Barron. Sorry. Joshua B. Baines. Sydney Anne Marie Baker. Rafael Theo Banuelos. Michelle Elizabeth Barthelmess. Gabrielle Jean Beach. Ryan Joseph Berrigan. Connor Christopher Burt. Joseph Christian Birchie. Diego Bodewig. Colleen Elizabeth Cahill. Ethan K. Ching. William David Cumberland. Nicholas Richard Deely. Jennifer Ann DeMarco. Colin James Denzel. Daniel John Donnelly. Catherine Callahan Doyle. John Michael Duffy, cum laude. Rachel Elizabeth Duffy. Odera Valerie Ibuanu. Audrey Grace Femright. Kelsey Elizabeth Foley, magna cum laude. Grace Marie Gallagher. Kevin Joseph Gallagher. Iris Natalia Garcia Barnett. Luigi Stefania Gielan. Thomas James Getty. David Allen Geiger II. Declan C. Grogan. Dylan Richard Anthony Hayes II. James Christopher Hegarty, magna cum laude, Rockwell Automation Design Award in Mechanical Engineering. Ryan Paul Heitkamp, cum laude, Rockwell Automation Design Award in Mechanical Engineering. Kevin Jerome Himmelgren. Henry James Hinges. Maurizio Antonio Hepburn Membrano. Joseph Patrick Hurley. Thomas John Hintz, cum laude. Mia Elizabeth Hoffman. John Tobin Holland. John Charles Hauge. Tyler Joseph Hull. Richard James Fitzpatrick Hume. Ulysses Iniguez. Mark Mitchell Johnson, magna cum laude. Aaron Shea Joyce. Jane Louise Kasabian, cum laude. Noah Patrick Kelly. Scott John Kiley. Daniel Thomas Lavelle. Alexandra Caroline Lee. Thomas Patrick Leaker. Sophia Catherine Lemignon. Augustin Leos. Sijuan Liang. John Ralph Luciola. Anna Rose Lung. Theodore Robertson McMillan. Noah David Martin. Nicholas Ivan Mute. Rachel Gabrielle Josette Mitchell Muzzini. Lauren Olivia McGovern, Jerome L. Novotny Heat Transfer Award. Timothy Ryan McGuire, cum laude. Jonathan Daniel Meek. Zachary Michael Mercugliano. Luke Anthony Michaels. Ryan John Miller. Walter Rigg Muller III. Jack Thomas Malumphy. Kelly Ann Moran, cum laude. Brooke Ashley Mama. Ryan Jacob Myers. James Francis Nagel, magna cum laude. Thomas Christopher Nelson. Calvin J. Oppenheim. Nicholas Matthew Orr. Michael Henry Paranik. Trevor John Perry, summa cum laude, Rockwell Automation Design Award in Mechanical Engineering, Zahn Prize for Mechanical Engineering, Sidney Kelsey Excellence Prize. Michael Isaiah Perez, summa cum laude, Reverend Thomas A. Steiner Award. Benjamin Bartholomew Phelan. Noah Christopher Plyman. Jacob K. Plucker, Heiderman Award for Excellence in Mechatronics. Michael Patrick Regnoni, Rockwell Automation Design Award in Mechanical Engineering. Miranda S. Roberson, magna cum laude, Pi Tau Sigma Honor Award. Teresa Joan Rogers, cum laude. Joseph Paul Rumbalski. Pietro Sinangeli, cum laude. William Howard Schimmel. Jillian May Shoelace. Samuel John Schreier. Kevin Jacob Sitars. Margaret Rose Stephen. Joseph Paul Tanaka, summa cum laude. Gabrielle Caitlin Tanwatko. Alexandra Marie Thill. Ali Abdul Thomas, Jr. Emily Page Tarenti. Brooke Anastasia Trosson. Andrew James Erheimer. Zachary John Francis Wall. Andres Walliser Wahibi. John Richard Welsh, summa cum laude. Brooke Marie Williams, cum laude. Mackenzie Elizabeth Winton. Jordan Christopher Wood. Griffin Budzinski Yates. Elizabeth Marie Zahorik. Peter Zajakowski Ewell.
Congratulations to our AME department. Next, I invite Dr. William Schneider, the Dorini Family Chair in Energy Studies and the Chemical and Biomolecular Engineering Department Chair, to the podium to recognize our chemical engineering graduates.
It's my honor to present to you the 80 graduates who make up the class of 2021 Chemical and Biomolecular Engineers. Chemical and biomolecular engineers use the principles of chemistry and biology to engineer the processes and products that we depend on every day, from objects as large and complex as a refinery to as small and complex as a COVID vaccine. Now, no one would consider the CBE curriculum easy under any circumstances, but this particular group of graduates has faced challenges unlike those any students before them. And they've met those challenges with exceptional resilience and determination. Their ability to persevere and even excel in the face of distanced, masked, and virtual learning in the classroom and in the laboratory has been an inspiration. Now, most will go from here to be practicing engineers or to further advance their training in graduate school or professional school. But whatever their path, they are exceptionally well prepared to carry forward the proud tradition of Notre Dame Chemical and Biomolecular Engineering graduates, to solve the most difficult problems, to do so with the utmost integrity and respect for all, and to make a positive difference for the world. Class of 2021 Chemical and Biomolecular Engineers, I invite you to come forward and accept your degree as your name is called by Professor Merlin Bruning.
Catherine Mary Aubie. Kristen Akemi Albano. Namir Jakai Argelagos. Margaret Mary Benjamin. Martha Jane Blatt. Katie Marie Bucking. James Christopher Corbin. Jonathan Rankin Despain. Mary Lynn Deckel. Catherine Grace Diekman. Anna Therese Dietrich. Julia Nicole Dilhoff. Caroline Marion Dimple. Jessica Haley Dirksen. Emily Suzanne Doyle, Chemical Engineering Research Award. Clancy O'Connor Duggan. Alyssa Madeline Dunnigan. Timothy Walter Iden. Mia Jordan Farlakas. Tristan David Frost. Andrew Thomas Fullwider. Brooke Joanne Gagnon. Jacob J. Galden. Peter Joseph Giannini. Sean Carlos Gonzalez. David Ernst Gregory. James Ryan Guckenberger. Abigail Christine Happ. Kyle Christopher Holman. Caroline Cooling Howell. Calvin Reuben Hu. Ruth Adele Hughes. Nicholas Geiger Isaacson. Caroline Rose Kenny. Tiffany Kong. Leah Elizabeth Knight. Cassandra Ann Cronenberg. Catherine Claire Lacosta. Madeline Judith Lamb. Marc Legendre. Maria Leilani Lengwin. Caroline Joan Lewis. Tiana Grace Latham. Lauren Therese Raggi Lombard. Cameron Rose Marin Lucas, John Tracy Award. Andrew Joseph Lucchese III. Nicole Rose Lukesh, Chemical Engineering Research Award. Mark Evan Mang Jr. Daniel Joseph Marino. John Matthew Maher. Ryan Daniel Miller. Christina Nicole Minitos, Chemical Engineering Alumni Award. Brendan John Mooney. Devin No. Isaac Norden. Kevin Edward O'Donnell. Kieran Francis O'Neill. Sophia Celeste Palumbo. Isla Marie Pavelka. Tyler Austin Pops. Sophia Elizabeth Rodriguez. Andrea Alejandra Ruiz Montoya. Andrew Michael Smoji. Robert Edward Scott. Julia Sherilyn Shard. Jacob Graham Stellan. Joseph James Stuppy. Ethan Mitchell Sunshine, Chemical Engineering Alumni Award. Claire Elizabeth Sweeney. Adriana Melanie Spinda. Adriana Saputra Chandara. Jennifer Ray Torres. Madeline Aaron Van Blanc. Noah Phillips Womble. Beverly Marie Watson. Elise Charlotte Wellman. Peter Aaron Worling. Lily Ann Westemeyer. Allison Zamet. Jessica Ann Zielinski.
All right, next, I invite Dr. Diego Bolster, the incoming department chair for the Civil and Environmental Engineering and Earth Sciences Department, to come to the podium to recognize the Civil and Environmental Engineering and Earth Science graduates.
Good evening, everyone, and what a wonderful evening it is. I present to you our 55 graduating students. 38 in civil engineering and 17 in environmental engineering. Any of you who pay attention to the news and listen to the way our president is talking right now will know how important building a new and modern infrastructure is. Well, these young men and women will be the generation that rethinks and rebuilds it. These young men and women will be the ones who make sure that the future is bright and sustainable and that we jointly care for this planet, our common home. These graduates will work to build the world that they, their children, and in turn their children, continue to flourish in. Civil and environmental engineering and earth sciences graduates, please come forward as Professor Amy Hickson reads your names.
Annalena Maria Simone Bellum, cum laude, Joseph Bud Ahern Leadership Award, and Thornton Tomasetti Foundation National Fellowship. Carmen Maria Bolivar. Marie Bond, Grand Challenge Scholar. Grace Elizabeth Brock. Emily Elise Brady. Gabriel Fowler Brown, American Society of Civil Engineering Activity Award. Jennifer Lynn Buck. Leonard Samuel Ali Aloha Calvo. Kyle Richard Carey, cum laude. Celine Claire Karina Castillo. Margaret DeOria, cum laude, Walter L. Schultz Award for Undergraduate Achievement. Joseph Allen Denko. Jessica Elizabeth Davis. Isabella Delgado Castillo. Kevin Thomas Dye. Kevin Robert Diggins, cum laude. Patricia Catherine Durlam. Colin Matthew Dorsey. Leonardo Stefano Falcus Melisani. Elizabeth Teresa Gardner. Erin Bernadette Glendon. Kellen Kathleen Hinchy. Thomas Anthony Howe, magna cum laude, Sidney Kelsey Outstanding Scholar Award. Peter Alexander Jacob. Stephen Patrick Johnston. Barrett Alexander Lee, Leroy D. Graves Award for Academic Improvement. Adalpha Mora. Ryan Michael Morgan, cum laude. Erin Patricia Olson. Dana Pualuni Cecilia Park. Lily Ann Polster, cum laude, Beavers Heavy Equipment Scholarship and the Reverend Thomas A. Steiner Prize. Ricardo Francisco Pozas Garza. Rhea Isabel Lopez Puno. Stephen Thomas Ream. Lillian Marie Rodriguez, magna cum laude, Gibran Kareem Research Prize and Grand Challenge Scholar. Nicholas August Saladino, cum laude, Walter L. Schultz Award for Undergraduate Achievement and Grand Challenge Scholar. William Francis Jaden. Nathan Andrew Yusko. Samantha Emesquita. Juliet Marie Burcham. Caitlin Brienne Calhoun. Michael Stephen Dunn. Robert Andrew Figalist. Okay. John Patrick Keenan, Latin honors. Don't know which one. Madeline Rose Laporte. Caitlin M. Long. Abigail Elizabeth Martin, magna cum laude, Reverend Thomas A. Steiner Prize. Abby Catherine McCarthy. Tess N. Gochi. Joseph Benjamin Nowak, cum laude. Matthew Paul Riss, magna cum laude, and Reverend Alexander Kirsch, CSC Award. Mariana Penelope Silva, magna cum laude. Kiara Marie Smarata, Raymond C. Gutschik Award. Alexis Gabrielle Van Blanc, magna cum laude, Raymond C. Gutschik Award. Robert Francis Wachter III, magna cum laude.
Congratulations to our C's department. I would now like to invite Dr. Patrick Flynn, the Fritz Duda Family Professor of Engineering and Computer Science and Engineering Department Chair, to the podium to recognize the computer science and engineering graduates.
Good evening. The Department of Computer Science and Engineering is pleased to honor its 16 computer engineering and 120 computer science graduates tonight. In this senior year full of challenges to normal college life these students have met the challenges with energy, focus, a concern for others, and a sense of humor. Now, they graduate into a world full of opportunities for impactful and rewarding work and service as part of an adult life full of joy and meaning. The ability of computing and communications technology to bring us together, not as a replacement for gathering in person, but to preserve and cherish our connections when we could not gather in person, has been vividly demonstrated to us all over the last 14 months. These graduates will be distinctive contributors in their upcoming roles in companies, service organizations, and as students seeking advanced degrees. Graduates, I expect you to engage your knowledge, skills, and big hearts in equal proportions as your journey begins. I call upon the candidates for the following 2 degrees to come forward and be recognized as Professors Ramsey Boalawan and Jane Cleland Wong read your names, Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering and Bachelor of Science in Computer Science.
Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, Jacques-Michel Charbonneau. Jack Thomas Conway. Thomas Jerome Dasso, summa cum laude. Zefan Michael Enciso, cum laude, both electrical engineering and computer engineering. William Gerard Fine. Braden Michael Fish. Catherine Grace Link, magna cum laude, Outstanding Computer Engineering Senior Award. Sabin Earl Litchfield, summa cum laude. Bridget Mary Lum. Brian Thomas McCabe. Charles John Myers, cum laude. Ashley Elizabeth Panusis, cum laude. Emery Ann Smith, Steiner Award. Zoe Elizabeth Surma, cum laude. Elizabeth Ann Roche Travnik. Jiaming Zhang, cum laude. From the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, Rory Joseph Allison. Christian David Amstutz. Emma Catherine Askelis. John Patrick Bailey.
Clarissa Joy Bailey. Lauren Jane Bakke. Patrick Bald. Samuel Battaglio, cum laude. James Patrick Bellucci, cum laude. Nicole Marie Benz, summa cum laude, Outstanding Computer Science Senior Award, and 2018 National Champion Women's Basketball. John Jeffrey Bingham, magna cum laude. Julius Opoku Boateng. Sarah Eileen Basales. Benjamin Joseph Berger. Timothy Daniel Burley, Grant Challenge Scholar. Megan Ellen Butler. Paulina Camara. Maria Carroll. Woo Hyun Cheong. Chad Anthony Coco, summa cum laude, Outstanding Computer Science Senior Award. Matthew Lannon Coffey, magna cum laude. Matthew Joseph D'Adamio, cum laude. Pedro Enrique de Sousa Lopez. Patricia Isabel del Campillo. Connor Matthew Delaney.
Joseph Edward Deladon, summa cum laude. Mikhail Alexander Duranek. Megha Devaraj. Caroline Mary Devoto, cum laude. Brendan Divney. Justin Daniel Doney. Michael William Dugan, cum laude. Elin Chen Dwyer. Michael Eisman. Nathaniel Osi Aquima. Nicholas Lee Farney. Catherine Fitzgibbons, cum laude. John Peter Fox, magna cum laude. Luke Benjamin Fraser. Owen Kieran Gallahue. Jorge A. Garcia. Sean Patrick Gay, cum laude. Anne-Marie Francine Gregory. Joseph Kirk Grippenstraw, magna cum laude. Stephen Francis Hannon, magna cum laude. Jacob Farley Harris, cum laude. Bridget Barbara Hart, magna cum laude. Olivia Verdi Hatch, magna cum laude. Sean Thomas Healy, cum laude. John Mark Huxamer. Brennan Reed Hogan, summa cum laude, Outstanding Computer Science Senior Award. Haley Carter Holden, summa cum laude, Outstanding Computer Science Senior Award. Jacob Edward Huber, magna cum laude. Sarah Yuna Huang.
Gavin William Inglis. Vincent Munyaka Karanja. Stephanie Kristen Keene. Yeon Jun Kim. Eleanor Christine Walker Kenyon. Bailey Ayoka Klaus. Michaela Marie Coker. Melka Conchi. Matthew Gregory Kozak. Connor John Cuse. Connor Laracy. Wonsok Lee. Eamon Lopez Marmion. Thomas William Lynch, cum laude. Marina Conchita Maldonado. Samantha Ann Manfreda. Stacy Manrique. Dominic Mellot Marcus. Catherine Burke McHugh, summa cum laude. Imari Joseph McKinney. Benjamin Francis Merrick. Jason Paul Miles Jr. John Matthew Morgan. Carlos Daniel Murillo Huaracha. Isabel Roisin Murr.
Jonathan Andrew Olemanson, magna cum laude. Pascal Frederick Poe. Pickford. John Edwin Quinn. Brendan Michael Raymond. Aaron Christian Reardon. Robert James Ruteman. Daniel John Ream, summa cum laude. Connor Nevins Reinhardt. Isaiah Hunter Ritter. Brendan Michael Seiler, magna cum laude. Hannah Emily Sarkey. Christopher Schaefer. Matthew Yuling Shan, cum laude. Luke Vincent Seiler. Jack Gerald Stump, cum laude. Jun Suk Daniel Sir. Irene Valdez Salazar, summa cum laude, Outstanding Computer Science Senior Award. Noah Stephen Viner. Philip John Vlandis, magna cum laude. Annalise Helen Wagner. Stephen P. Wagner. Anna Lee Walton. Olivia Siming Wong. Nicole Charlotte Warren, magna cum laude. Luke James Weller. Jonathan Xavier Wenger. Jillian Noreen Ibonez. Christina Yoon, cum laude. Molly Ann Zacklin, cum laude. Hind Zahur.
Congratulations to our CSE graduates. Y'all are the rowdy bunch. Let's see. Finally, I invite Dr. Gregory Snyder, the Electrical Engineering Department Chair, to the podium to recognize our electrical engineering graduates.
Good evening. As always, the best has been saved for last. This year, there are 35 graduates of the Department of Electrical Engineering. The majority of our students will be joining companies representing a broad range of industries, including defense, medical, telecommunications, and power. About 25% of our graduates will be continuing their education at universities such as Cornell University, University of Illinois, University of Ghent, and even the University of Notre Dame. I would like to invite, finally, about 5% will be joining the military. I would like to invite the graduates in electrical engineering to come forward as Professor Ken Sauer, the Electrical Engineering Teacher of the Year, reads your names.
John Aubie, cum laude. Grant Matthew Barthelmess, summa cum laude, Basil R. Myers Award winner. Isaac Lee Bichou. Brittany Ann Cahill. Diego Contreras. Leonard Michael Corelli. Patrick Richard Kremen, magna cum laude. Chloe Ann Cruzan. Owen Michael Degnam. Maximilian Gerard Dominic. Aaron George Brinkoff Dorrance, cum laude. Mary Kate Drennan. John McKee Edwards. Kelsey Marie Farr, Grand Challenge Scholar. Chloe Frenzel, magna cum laude. Kyle Folk. Joran Han, magna cum laude. Matthew Charles Hawkins, magna cum laude and Lawrence F. Stouter Award winner. Kyle Guy Hilbert, magna cum laude and James L. Massey Award winner. Sarah Bailey Arciniega Holtz. Lisa Huang, cum laude. Sylvia Michelle Kolda, cum laude. Dennis Patrick Krivda. William Kwong. James Robert Libby, cum laude. Brendan Joseph Mahoney. Brian Paul McGee. Daniel Lewis Mikovits, cum laude and Grand Challenge Scholar. Maya Mary Neebs. Javier Andres Rivera Gonzalez. Matthew Sean Roddy, summa cum laude and Arthur Quigley Award winner. Robert Francis Schaefer III. And tonight's MVP, our closer, Christopher Joseph Susko.
Congratulations to all of our graduates, and a heartfelt thank you to our department chairs for outstanding leadership. Before finishing up this ceremony, I'd like to take a moment to thank those who worked so hard to make it happen. So please join me in also thanking the Notre Dame Stadium staff for their support of the use of this iconic venue. And a huge thank you to the staff of the College of Engineering for their hard work in planning, supporting, and executing today's diploma ceremony. All right, College of Engineering class of 2021. I'm going to ask you to now stand, and I want you to turn towards our guests and take a moment to recognize your family, friends, and the others who've supported you during your educational journey. Special shout out to the families who tried your best to embarrass your children. I appreciate it. I love it. There we go. As we close the ceremony, I ask everyone to please rise for the benediction by Associate Dean Ron Matoyer, and then remain standing for the alma mater, Notre Dame, our mother.
Almighty God, we ask you to send your Spirit upon our graduates as they and their families celebrate this important milestone. As their time at Notre Dame draws to a close, we thank you for the friends and memories that were made here and ask you to give them the grace to take the many lessons from this place out into the world. May the friendships they made here help them to see the importance of human relationships. May the lessons they learned here help them grow in patience and charity toward others. May the skills and talents they have gained here help them to improve the world around them. Bless these graduates and give them the grace to walk with faith, hope, and love so that they may go out and live Father Soren's dream of being a force for good in the world. Amen.
I'd like you to know I still have my streak of 0 graduations without crying every time. I again want to congratulate the College of Engineering graduating class of 2021 on a job well done. Woo, yeah, you can cheer for them again. I'm going to ask that you please remain in your seats until the platform party clears the seating area. But God bless you all, and go Irish.